What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, link in the description for the merchandise. Also, check out all the promo codes. So it's been a minute. BJ got something new going on right now, and it's been a long ass wait. So
what's up, guys? It's your boy BJ. It's been a while since I've talked to you guys or even showed you anything. Received 4 boxes from FedEx today, and I don't believe that I even talked to you guys about this in the past, but what I did was ordered some new rims for the Cuddy, and went with a different style and kind of mixed it up a little bit, so hopefully you guys like this. It did take 3 months. I finally gave him a call to see what was going on, and the day that I called him last Monday, and when I called, they were like, oh yeah, we just happened to get those done for you, so we should get a shipping notification here this week sometime. So they showed up. Let's get inside and check these things out.
yeah, I'm fucking excited. Let's go.
They wanted more. I give them more.
Motherfucking drum roll. I'm trying to take a fucking finger. You guys get to see what it looks like before I do. Just seeing the back of it right now, just the chrome and the gold on there.
Alright guys, so I got some 13x7 72 spoke cross lace wire wheels, and I had them custom done pre-order through OG Wire Wheels, OG Rims Direct, and I did the gold plating on the hub and the knockoff and the gold nipples on it. I wanted to do some kind of gold on my rims for this next set. I didn't want a solid set of golds. For one, they're expensive, and for two, I just think having a little bit of gold on there really makes the chrome pop out, and it'll look good on that candy paint. I don't know if a lot of you guys out there low riding and stuff do 72 spoke cross lace on G bodies a lot. I know I've read a lot of forums and lay it low forums about guys actually talking down on the cross lace being on a G body, saying that it's more of an old school thing for like Impalas and stuff. I've always wanted a set of cross laces for my ride, so I went ahead and did that choice. As far as this first rim goes, everything looks good. The chrome plate is good. Gold plate looks really nice. I've seen a lot of reviews down talking OG Wire Wheels about their gold plating coming off real fast after the first couple of wipe downs, but so let's go ahead and get to the next one, and then we'll get to the third and the fourth.
You guys drop a comment. Let us know what you guys think about these wheels. Would you rock them on a G body or not?
It's a very small chip, but it's not. It could become something big and after a while, but this here, I can live with that. I mean, it's that chip on that chrome over there on that other wheel that bothers me. Alright guys, so there you have it. Let me know what you guys think about this. For OG Wire Wheels, the only flaw that I seen was that little chip in the chrome. If I know these rims in time, they'll wear out and whatnot, but as long as you take care of them, they should be alright. So.
The new wheel setup for the Cuddy, you guys. It's still right here, still under construction. We still have a lot of stuff that we need to go through. He's got frame plates, switch extensions, everything for that. You guys seen the video last on the hydraulic setup that we got from Hoppos. Shout out to Alex again for helping us with all that. He has all these plates that we're gonna have to take the engine out. He went back to Harbor Freight and got this other bigger cherry picker because this one over here was a little bit too short, wouldn't reach all the way into the engine bay. We already had the whole engine, everything taken apart. I got everything ready to go, so the drive line's out. Just gotta take off the motor mount bolts and the cross member for the transmission, and then we'll be able to just take the engine out, and then we'll be able to weld all the plates. I'm behind on videos, so you guys will probably see this video for sure before I end up posting the video on the reinforcement and the upper control arms. The plan is to get rid of this completely and start over and get a whole new crate engine, and BJ will tell you guys all that later, but for right now, we still got it. It's still here, still in the process of being worked on. I'm gonna try to take one of these off so that way we can see what one of those wheels look like before the end of this video. Stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and put this on real quick and get a test fit, so that way we can at least see what one of the wheels is gonna look like on here. We'll eventually put all the wheels on here, but right now, in the meantime, we're gonna try one, see what it looks like for the video, and that way we can end it with at least one of the wheels on the car, so that way you guys can get an idea and a view of what the new set of wheels is gonna look like. This is with one of them on the front, and this is with the old style. You guys drop a comment, let us know what you think. Let us know if you think he made a good decision on getting with the gold and the chrome accents. Comparison with the old one. 3 months to get those wheels, so this is our little review / installation, tire install. Mounting them up on the car on the front. That way you guys can get an idea how it's going to come together. I'll leave a link in the description for a website where you guys can get your wheels custom made like BJ did. You can choose a variety of any color, anything. There's a lot of different options. Like BJ was saying too, like you can send your paint samples in, they'll powder coat them or paint them to match. So OG wire wheels. We got a lot of stuff coming with this car. This set us back a little bit because instead of getting the engine and stuff, he wanted to get wheels for it. And then we're going to do hydraulic kit, pull the engine, and continue from there. But the car's been still here. Still in the same process, still in the same way. It's not his daily driver. He's got the Cadillac, so we ain't worried about how long this car sits. It's been sitting for 10 years already as is, so we're slowly working on it and making sure everything's going to be legit and making sure everything's done right. So he wanted to get some new wheels, and here they are, you guys. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.
Break it down low, take it to the ground. I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I see you running, do you? So I can do it, can't do it, can't get it. Go run it up, get it up, get it up. Weed like a rust, smoke weed like a rust. She call me Papa, she call me Papa. Tell me spurs like bucket, spurs like bucket. You know they can't stop us, you know they can't stop. Keep my mind at ease.